What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to cover the 30-minute orb, whatever you want to call it, opening range. I want to cover the 30-minute orb strategy from today. Today is 5/12/2025, depending on whenever you guys are watching this video. It's currently 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. My trade day is done. I took about 3 to 4 scalps this morning, kind of made a little bit of quick cash, locked it up. Markets, not really doing too much right now, but that's kind of to be expected. We had a very, very huge gap up on Globex open on Sunday, and we had a very, very big gap up London session. So we have yet to take out London highs. We've yet to take out London lows. We're pretty much just consolidating right here, smack dab in the middle, which is completely fine. There was a good opportunity short if you kind of just closed your eyes and went short off the bell. But the trading strategy that I want to cover is the 30-minute opening range low. Now, I told everyone today in the Evolution Traders live call, live trading mentorship, that I'm looking for a scalp. I'm looking for a scalp of the 30-minute opening range low. And although this did wash out and had a little bit of a bounce back into the channel, this provided a 50-point move to the downside. When I'm thinking scalp, and I've made this very clear to the traders who trade inside my community, my scalp is 10 to 20 points on the NQ. So because of the size that I'm trading is not too huge, a lot of times I'm trading micros. I'm trading, kind of just looking for 10 to 20 points. I'm not going to, take a trade for 2 or 3 points on micros because it's not going to really pay anything, right? Typically, I'm trading between 3 and 5 micro contracts, and if I can get 10 points, that's $20 a contract. I'm looking at, let's call it $70 to $100 a trade minimum. That's like kind of the sweet spot that I'm looking for. And if I get more, obviously great. I try to extend that out. If I get 20 points, now I'm looking at closer to $150 to $200 a trade. That's perfect, right? That's in line with what I want to do each and every single day for the prop firms. That's keeping me consistent and level-headed. And if I want to make more money on the day, there's a great way to do it with prop firms. All you have to do is start linking more accounts together. So now your $100 day turns into a $500 day if you're copy trading across 5 funded accounts. I don't copy trade a lot of accounts at a time. I try to keep it to 2 to 3 of my accounts at a time in a group, and I will fire away trades on those groups of 2 to 3 accounts. And that kind of helps speed things up a little bit. And I like to take, 3 to 4 trades a day, somewhere in that ballpark, especially in my trade window between market open and lunchtime. And if I can get something going in that action, I like to kind of walk away. So the 30-minute ORB is right here, okay? So what I want to talk about on this 30-minute ORB is there's a couple ways to play it. And it's depending on what the price action is doing prior to the ORB, okay? So the 30-minute low was set at 6:42 Pacific Standard Time. So 9:42 Eastern, that's when the 30-minute low was set. From that low, at the top of the hour here, when you're looking to now activate and fire a trade, nothing happened in terms of confirming the low after the top of the hour. Okay, we kind of bounced. We came very close to taking out the 30-minute OR high within a point, right? This was literally within a point. Then we pulled back. When we pulled back, we failed to scream through the 30-minute OR high. We put in a lower high and we started to pull back. So now that I've seen some price action and looking at the OR low be set at 6:40 in the morning, and when it finally got confirmed at 7:20, you're talking the better half of 45 plus minutes where this had plenty of opportunity to confirm the lows and consolidate and test the highs and trade in this channel. And with that being said, you can see here that for me, there's 2 ways to play this. One, I can do what's called a first entry, where I'm going to take it as soon as we break the 30-minute low. And I only do this if we had a lot of consolidation over my level, okay? Now, let's say the 30-minute low was set here, but then at the top of the hour, like right when we were pulling back here, if we were to break right at this point in time of the game, I was going to allow a 1-minute candle to break that and then allow a following candle to confirm the low, and then I would be short. But because there was a lot of time that passed, because we also had this like upwards trend line here, and you can see we're losing momentum and we kind of put in a double top, I wanted to be involved on the first entry. So I took that first entry again for a quick scalp, 20 to 25 points across 5 micros, which is very, very good for me, right? Again, my scalping is 10 to 20 points or anything in between, however I feel the price action is treating me. I have no like hard rule that's saying I have to get 20 points. There's no hard rule saying I must get out at 10 points. I'm good with anything between 10 and 20 points on my scalps. Okay. And that's kind of how I treat it. The second way to take the 30-minute ORB is allow the 30-minute low to get broken and then allow a back test. So notice the candle after the 30-minute after the low is broken, the next candle opens up and it's green and it pops right back into 20,745, 20,746. When we fail to close back into the channel and then the following candle opens up and takes out the low, that's when you get short. And if you were to get short from there, then you would look at an entry below 20,722, and that shot down to 20,706. So even this is about 20 points. And then the next candle goes down to 690. So from 722 to 690 is 30 points. Again, if I'm looking to scalp, I'm looking to make 10 to 20 points. So as soon as I get in that range, I want to start thinking about taking those profits off. 30-minute ORB is a great strategy to trade. Again, you got to find your own unique way to trade it. Are you trading the first entry? Are you waiting for the break and retest? Are you looking for a quick scalp? Are you looking for a little bit something more? You got to tailor it to your personality. For me, on these type of trades, 10 to 20 points for me is sufficient enough, because I do look for a couple of other strategies throughout the day as well that we go over in the Evolution Traders community mentorship, that we do some live trading in there a few days a week, and we kind of go over a lot of this stuff in real time. If you're interested in that, that link is down in the description box below. Also, guys, Apex is 80% off right now. You guys can use code DAnthony if you guys are interested in getting some accounts. But with that being said, I will catch all of you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I highly appreciate it, and I'll see all of you guys next time.